This is a problem about raffle tickets. The numbers on 3 raffle tickets are consecutive integers whose sum is 7,530. Find the integers. Well, we'll use the 5-step problem-solving process to do this problem, and the first step in the process is to familiarize ourselves with the problem situation. So let's write familiarize. Now, we see that we have 3 consecutive integers in this problem, so let's let x equal the first integer. Remember, to go from one consecutive integer to the next, we just add 1 each time. So this means if x is the first integer, then x plus 1 is the second integer. And adding 1 to x plus 1 means that x plus 2 is the third integer. This is third. So now we have our variables named, and we're ready to go to the second step in the process, which is to translate to an equation. And remember, what we're told in the problem is that the first integer plus the second integer plus the third integer is equal to 7,550. The sum of these 3 integers is 530, excuse me. So let's just translate. The first integer, remember, we named x. Then we have plus. We named the second integer x plus 1, plus again, and the third integer we called x plus 2. Is translates to equals, and then we have the sum, 7,530. Now we're ready to solve this equation, and that's the third step in the problem-solving process. We'll be solving the equation x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 7,530. Let's collect like terms on the left-hand side. X plus x is 3x, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So I have 3x plus 3 equals 7,530. Now to get the x term alone on the left side, I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides. So we have 7,530 minus 3 on the right. On the left, I'm just left with 3x, and on the right-hand side, I have 7,527. And now to get x alone, I can divide both sides by 3. So I have 3x divided by 3 equals 7,527 divided by 3. And that gives us x is equal to 2,509. Now, we were interested in finding 3 numbers here, so we can go back and look at this and say, if x is 2,509, then x plus 1 is 2,509 plus 1, or 2,510. And x plus 2 is equal to 2,509 plus 2, which is 2,511. So we've completed the solving part of the process, and now we're ready to check this result, which is the 4th step. Well, we're checking 2,509, 2,510, and 2,511. And first of all, these are supposed to be consecutive integers, and they are. And their sum, if we've done the problem correctly, is supposed to be 7,530. And if we add these together, that's exactly what we get. So the answer does check. And now we go to the final step of the problem-solving process, state the result. And we would say that the integers are 2,509, 2,510, and 2,511.